cable, guys, today, and I'll show you guys right now how it's mounted to this door wheel right now. As you can see, there's the climate control for orientation. It comes down, it's right there. It's mounted to the side, and let me show you guys how it's installed. Those are 3/8" bolts. There's 2 of them. And I'll show you guys in detail how it's installed. So there's this rubber grommet it runs to. It chases along the fender. I don't know if it's held on with anything through here. I didn't remove anything, but it's held on through here. It comes around here, runs under where the light is, if I'm not mistaken, and comes through here. I'll show in more detail how it's ran on another car with it fully assembled. You move this entire unit, but we're going to see how the cable has to come off to come through this grommet, this rubber grommet here. So I believe this is a 3/8" bolt. By the way, this thing works great too. Just pop the hood up. .3/8" bolt. See that? This tab sits in the slot. Now we got a direct view of the cable and how it sits inside of there. So you pop that clip down, do that right now. We can pop this back on so we don't lose it. All you're gonna do is now let's push this out of here. And now we can just pull this cable on through. However, we want to remove this grommet. Just take the grommet with it. Use a trim tool to remove this grommet. And as I record, my camera is so hot, because it's hot out here, it shut off, but it broke off anyway. It broke off when I was pulling it out. Here's the other end of it. So this has to be cut off, otherwise the cable won't be able to come through. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. You pull it to the end, the cable won't be able to come through. So I'm gonna cut this because I want to remove the whole grommet with it. So yeah, this has to be cut off now. All right, that should get it. And then we can pull this thing on through. Go back to the front. So we know how this basically works. It's on the hood, it locks down. It's locked now. So that's locked now. We press down on it, this releases it. Hood locked. When you slam the hood down, it locks it in place. And it's basically pulls that spring back and releases it. And this is the hood mechanism to keep the hood latched down from flying up. So yeah, let's remove this entire unit. All we need is that. These are 1/2 inch. These are 1/2 inch. I spray it with some WD-40. You want to keep this thing lubed up as well. All right, so let's drill this off. Since I'll leave it attached to this brace for the header panel, this is a header panel brace, and this is a cooler. So we'll leave this attached. So let's get a better detailed look at it. All right, guys, closer look. Here it is. Entire unit for the mechanism for the hood. This is everything. It should be facing this way. So I guess it's a wrap for this video. Hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. More to come. Terrence and I'm out.